Welcome to Digital Income Flow. Inside you will find a supported community. 55 members have already joined, and I am building multiple courses on Amazon KDP, digital product selling and affiliate marketing. Currently I am working on Amazon KDP. You can see I have completed almost 2.5 modules already. KDP Kickstart module 1. Inside you will learn welcome and overview, KDP account setup, KDP guidelines, trademark and more, how to check for trademarks, trim size, bleed and margins. In the second module you will learn KDP niche research fundamentals, niche research using free tools part 1, part 2 and KDP niche research using paid tools. Then KDP book creation modules. 2 lessons are already done. That includes KDP interiors overview and book interior resources. These lessons are already completed. I am working on the next lesson, that is creating book interiors in Canva and creating book cover in Canva. And in the final module you will learn how to publish your very first book on Amazon. And then there are 2 more modules on digital products and affiliate marketing. I have uploaded my premium ebooks under these modules. For digital products you can get my premium ebook called the 1 Hour Gumroad Guide. I am currently selling this for $10 on Gumroad. For affiliate marketing you can access the affiliate income playbook. I am currently selling this for $10 on Gumroad. You can get all these resources for free under this starter pack, and you will also have access to me via chat, and you will also have access to this community here. You can ask questions, share wins, connect with fellow KDP publishers and passive income builders. The community is just $5 per month for next 50 people. Once we hit 100 people, the price is going to $10 per month. You can join early and lock a low price. See you inside.